How to save your picture in Google Photos. Firstly, open the Google Photos app. Now click on the sharing option. Select any of the folder from here. You can see here add photo. Click on it. Open your gallery. You have to select any of the video which you want to save it in your Google Photos. Now click on the ad which is present at the right top corner. Move back. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now see your photos. You can see that photo is being in your Google Photos. You can also see that photo here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.